Hey guys, what's happening? How to remove payment method on iPhone. Go ahead to the settings. And before you do that, go ahead to the general software update. Make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version to access all the new features and updates. Go back, click your name at the top, and then what you're gonna do, go ahead to the payment and shipping. Alright. If you want to remove the payment method and the shipping address, we're gonna do them manually. So I'm gonna click the payment method. So I'm gonna remove the payment method, and I'm gonna go ahead, of course, to the billing address, and you can delete them all like in one time, right? Along with the payment, or excuse me, along with your card, and then you're gonna go ahead to add a new payment method. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.